How to add a custom sounds detection for sound notifications on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down, then tap on accessibility. In here, tap on hearing enhancements. Then tap on sound notifications. After that, tap on open sound notifications and then tap on the settings icon. Then we go down and tap on custom sounds. Then tap on add sound. And here we're going to record the sound. So tap on the record button. And then start tapping on the sound or make that sound so your phone to record. Tap on the record button. Okay, now tap on the continue button and give it a name. And tap on saved. And then tap on the back key. So if you tap on if you raise that sound, then your phone should vibrate and give you a notifications. Here you can see my phone detected the sound, it notified me, and said here applies beeping. And it said this sound is detected nearby. You can tap on it to open and you can view the history of the sound detected on your phone. You can also save the sound or you can play it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.